Welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge battery on Apple Watch Series 11. To charge your Apple Watch, grab your magnetic charging cable and connect it to a USB-C power adapter and a power outlet, and then place the back of your watch onto a magnetic charger like this and wait for the charging screen to appear on your Apple Watch. That will mean that your device has been charged. Then just leave it to rest for a bit until it's fully charged or until it's charged to the battery level value that you want it to be. And that's as simple as it is. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.